In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use automation with emails in HubSpot. We'll start right inside your HubSpot account. Look to the left panel and click on Automation, then head into the Workflows tab. This is the central place where your automated sequences live, and where you'll build and manage the emails that go out automatically based on your criteria. Next, click Create Workflow. When the options appear, choose from Template. Using a template is a fast way to get up and running without building a sequence from scratch. You'll see a library of ready-made options, including templates for automatic emails to website visitors, and many others designed for common marketing and follow-up scenarios. Take a moment to preview any template that looks promising. In the preview, look at the enrollment trigger to understand who will enter the workflow, review the list of actions that will happen, and check the timing of each step. This quick scan helps you confirm that the overall flow aligns with your goal. Don't worry if a template isn't a perfect match. You'll be able to tweak it. Once you find one that fits your needs, click Use Template. You'll be taken straight into the editor. This visual canvas shows the workflow path, and you can click into each step to customize it. Start by tailoring the emails to your brand and message. Update subject lines, body copy, links, and images so they speak directly to your audience. Adjust delays so messages arrive at a helpful pace, neither too frequent nor too sparse. If the template includes conditions or branches, refine them to reflect the audience segments you want to reach. You can also rename the workflow for clarity and leave internal notes to document its purpose and any guidelines your team should follow. As you edit, focus on clarity and relevance. Make sure each email delivers value, uses a clear call to action, and stays consistent with the trigger that brought someone into the workflow. Personalize where appropriate and double-check that links, tracking, and branding are correct. It's a good idea to preview emails for both desktop and mobile, so formatting looks clean across devices. If your account has brand settings, confirm the sender details and footers match your standards. And there you go. You've navigated to automation, created a workflow from a template, previewed your options, and customized the template in the editor to match your needs. That's all. Simple, efficient, and a solid way to scale your email outreach with confidence.